In this video, we will go over how to balance bacterial levels through probiotic use in order to avoid chronic diseases and experience a higher quality of life. Those who are looking for more in-depth information can go to normalcolon.com. The microbial battle that is being waged inside all of us can be considered one of the classic battles between good and evil. Ideally, we would like the greater majority of our gut flora to be probiotic in nature, while squeezing out pathogenic bacteria and making the colon inhospitable to them. The microbiome, the name given to all microbes within the body, are associated with every disease, including diabetes, cancer, and autism, according to Dr. Michael Synder. We are our bacteria. In a 2007 study, it was estimated that there are over 100 trillion bacterial cells within the body. In fact, bacterial cells outnumber human cells 10 to 1. Even further, bacterial DNA within the body outnumber human DNA 100 to 1. According to this study, the microbiome has been determined to weigh more than the liver. Since the microbiome is so significant, having a full understanding of its capabilities and interactions are crucial in order to understand the human body as a whole. We receive half of our microbiome through our mother, and the other half is attributed to environmental factors. According to novel research, our microbiome determines our personality, disease susceptibility, and is mainly responsible for our immune system function. Within the colon is 3 pounds of bacteria that consists of over 400 different species. The majority of these bacterial life forms are anaerobic in nature and are attached to the mucosa. As a whole, probiotic bacteria contribute to colonization resistance and, through their density, reduce overall space available to pathogenic bacteria. These gut flora control pathogens, regulate immunity, regulate inflammation, synthesize vitamins, synthesize enzymes, increase mineral bioavailability, synthesize neurotransmitters, regulate hormone metabolism, regulate blood sugar, regulate appetite, and contribute to liver health. The gut flora also has a close connection with the brain. In fact, the gut has been considered the second brain, as it has even more neuronal cells than the spinal cord. The gut flora makes neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Through this process, it can communicate directly with the brain and is likely responsible for the gut feeling. There are a number of factors that affect probiotic bacterial concentrations. In order to keep probiotics healthy, live a healthy lifestyle and eat natural foods rich in fiber in order to feed them. The biggest factor affecting probiotic levels is antibiotic use. Those who have taken antibiotics have likely displaced their natural bacterial balance. This results in a condition known as bacterial dysbiosis. In addition, laxatives, heavy metal toxicity, corticosteroids, environmental pollutants, chemotherapy, radiation, antibacterial soap, toothpaste, shampoo, and detergents can all affect bacterial levels. Antibiotics do exactly what they are designed to do, kill bacteria, and therefore the greatest contributor to bacterial dysbiosis. Ideally, avoid antibiotics, or at least take part in a probiotic supplementation regimen immediately after antibiotic use. Those who are looking for an alternative to antibiotics can consider supplementing with iodine, as this used to be the common pathogenic bacterial treatment before the invention of antibiotics. In addition, most people are deficient in iodine, and daily supplementation is likely to improve overall health. Some symptoms of bacterial dysbiosis include gray hair, balding, dementia, diabetes, obesity, eczema, anemia, stroke, cancer, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, constipation, arthritis, anxiety, depression, OCD, ADHD, autism, yeast infections, asthma, inflammation, autoimmune diseases, and respiratory problems. Ideally, correct bacterial dysbiosis with probiotic supplementation and take advantage of the health benefits associated with the correct bacterial balance. The gut flora is directly connected with proper immune system function. In fact, 70% of the immune system is attributed to probiotic bacteria. Good bacteria increase lymphocytes, increase interferons, increase cytokines, stimulate phagocytosis, and stimulate antibody formation. Healthy bacteria also initiate the GALT. In this way, the body is able to communicate with probiotic bacteria and identify the difference between healthy and pathogenic organisms. Healthy bacteria also create proteins like GC-MAF. This increases macrophage activity and allows the body to fight chronic diseases like cancer, AIDS, colitis, and autism. All in all, a healthy microbiome is necessary for all bodily systems to function properly. In order to remove pathogenic bacteria from the body, take part in a colon cleanse and remove the mucoid plaque that offers hospitality to them. In addition, make sure food is being digested properly, and if not, correct the issue by increasing stomach acid production or supplement with betaine hydrochloride. After mucoid plaque and undigested food are removed from the digestive system, one should inoculate their colon with probiotics. This will allow healthy bacteria to reclaim their space and promote good health. The daily consumption of probiotics can reduce diarrhea, vaginitis, bloating, gas, lactose intolerance, indigestion, constipation, food allergies, and brain fog. Ideally, use food as a medicine. Those who consume fermented food like kimchi, kefir milk, and kombucha tea are able to introduce probiotics into their digestive system. In addition, realize that certain novel fermented milk proteins can improve immune system function as well. As stated earlier, GC-MAF supplementation is a treatment used to help people with weak immune systems. While it is generally available through injection alone, it can also be created through milk fermentation. While the creation of GC-MAF in this fashion is currently going through regulatory issues in both the United States and Europe, it has the potential to change the concept of medicine. After probiotics have established themselves, it is important to feed them with prebiotics. Since bacteria eat soluble fiber, consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, beans, and oat fiber is a great way to keep probiotics well fed. In some cases, fecal transplants have been used in order to introduce healthy bacteria into the gut. Initial procedures have proven to be successful and are likely to be used with greater frequency. Understanding the microbiome will likely change medical treatments in the future. Instead of just focusing on the human element, futuristic doctors will concentrate on the microbiome as well. Starting any medical appointment with a stool sample analysis while looking for various markers for disease will help doctors move forward with an effective treatment option. In fact, during the greater majority of cases, small changes in the microbiome will likely have the potential to remedy diseases without surgery or pharmaceuticals. Those who are looking for more information on gut bacteria and probiotics can go to normalcolon.com and check out the description below.